go.
There was a shop there.
Yeah.
Get something to drink.
Where?
There, where we walk.
Let's go higher. Haha. Not cheating. Remind me why I choose this bike. I forget kung paano umahon. Napakatagal ko nang hindi umaahon. This guy has no chill.
What do you want to drink?
Water.
Water?
Now I regret taking this bike. It's lighter, but it is. Oh, maybe one water and one Sprite.
Are you drinking it now? Or?
No, the one I keep for me because it's tiring. Whew. Maybe we go to the beach there, just for picture. Terry. Sarap gamitin. Sana all naka ang picturean. Kumaya siya. I like this bike. This is not Sprite.
What's the Sprite I have here?
Here, there's a Sprite. There, near the Coke. Oh. That one is fast. Let me take a picture of you.
Faster than one of my mom.
Let me take a picture of you.
Like going like this one.
Yeah. My parents are telling me to bring that in the Philippines. Let me take a picture of you. You go with it.
You or me?
No, I'll take a picture of you with the bike. Actually, it's nice if we both have pictures.
Look at it.
Oh, fuck. the camera. I hate this thing. Yeah.
So thirsty. Ow.
You didn't take a picture of me when I read my shades. Can you take a picture of me?
Make it
Or
what?
maybe let's take a picture there and with the beach on the back, right? Don't go too fast. I don't have the electric. Here. Just go slowly. Here on this side.